guys, welcome back to another.
Today we are playing Don't Press the Button.
Okay, I'm Heap Dream.
I'm CQ Tails on capitals, you know me. And this is.
Hey, I can do my own intro, thank you. And I am Brooklyn.
all about meh.
No, it's be all about me, but my username is be all about meh.
Okay,
Meh.
so press play.
Meh power.
Play, okay, play.
I'm down below meh power.
No.
Why do we all cake?
I got a sign. Noob.
Put all
Haha.
the plugs into what? Oh.
Oi,
I can't get this. one.
oi, where's my ice cream?
I don't have any plug.
I got them.
You have to get them though.
No,
Oh, okay. I guess I didn't do anything.
I did not.
I didn't do anything.
Let me Squid Game.
We got cake.
I'm pressing it.
Oh, I want to press it. I pressed it.
I pressed
I already
it.
pressed it.
Oh,
What is this?
get ready to play spinning
the
cubes.
Stay. What?
Spin the cubes.
I think we have to stay on it.
Ah!
Holy crap.
This sounds like a good game to play. Like this is really easy. I thought Brooklyn just died for a second.
Excuse me, there's a big box. Half the people died.
I don't get how people are dying. I'm like literally
Yeah, it's so easy.
not dying.
BB all about mech. You good?
No.
No, I nearly died. This is so easy. You could like stay in the same spot and
Wait,
barely even
When
die.
Heap Dream says that, she just dies.
I didn't.
Imagine that.
Haha.
If you don't stay in the same spot, you die.
I was joking.
I thought you were right.
Yay.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I pressed the button. It's
I don't
okay.
care.
You're so. Dusks are. Ducks. I thought.
Dogs.
Ducks.
It's like dusky.
I don't know. Where are they? Oh, I see one. No, I'm getting that one. I'm getting that one.
Duckies.
Yay, got one.
Doom. Bang. Bang. Dang.
Oh, I got that one. No,
I have two.
I'm staying here. Yay. Duck. I have 3. What?
I want
What?
to see Alicia's ducks.
That sounds wrong.
No.
No, heaps ducks. No.
Where are the ducks coming from?
I only have one duck.
I have 3.
I have
4.
I have three.
Bro, I can't even get one
Come
duck.
to me, my friend.
They're coming down too slow. Sorry, ducks.
Times that.
I got 5.
I got one
How did
duck.
Blue.
With
One
4
with 4.
ducks.
I have 4 ducks.
I have 3.
Oh my god.
Jeez, my leg.
Tsunami. Where do we go?
Tsunami?
I'm going on the roof. I'm on the.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it.
I see it.
I don't see it. I'm trying to do my parkour. My parkour is failing me.
Your parkour
No.
is back.
Play. I keep pressing the dumb thing. Oh,
Yeah,
no,
I'm gonna-
Tsunami, kill me.
I just
No!
died.
Yeah, there's no escaping. Oh, yeah, there is escaping that. There is escaping that.
That's
I
for my
saw the
slide.
Oh, a bomb. Push it. Okay. It's not moving. Don't
Push
give it to
it.
me. I'm just running away. Why would I want to push it?
It's a bomb. Push it out of the
It's a bomb.
way.
It's a bomb. It's B-O-M. It's
Okay, somebody is actually risking our life for us.
Wow.
Pushed
Well,
off.
Pushed off. Great job.
Oh, we're supposed to. Oh, we're supposed to push.
Yeah, we're supposed to.
Oh, I know. I'm on the top. I have to press all the buttons.
3, 2, 1. Go. Begin.
Haha.
Press the button. No! No, I keep pressing the dumb thing. Oh, I know. Oh.
Haha. Haha.
What?
I'm making all of you guys lose. It's kind of funny.
No!
Oh, I love doing the buttons.
I hate you so much.
I never get to do.
I hate you.
Now,
I don't like this.
activate.
Who'd you kill? Who'd you kill?
Yay, this random girl. This is so fun.
Somebody's winning.
Your mom is.
Somebody just won.
Yeah, somebody won as well. I can't press. I have to wait 10 seconds.
No!
I pressed it.
I didn't. Get ready to
To
a
the
sword
sword
fight.
fight.
I don't have a sword.
I don't
Should we go
Oh.
against this girl? This girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This girl. This girl.
She died.
Okay.
No,
Oh.
you killed me.
Did I actually?
Yes. I need to go to the shop. I want to buy something.
Where's the
Gear shop.
No!
Do you look?
I can buy a
to win.
fake bomb. How much? Oh, I want to buy the fake bomb.
Raw speed run.
Speedrun, yes! I'm the best at these.
I'm so bad at speed runs.
I'm good.
I'm so bad.
I killed Brooklyn.
Yeah. Well, not Sherlock.
This is the easiest thing ever.
It's
Actually, I
I
won.
fell off.
I won.
I fell off. Third place, and I fell.
28, 27, 26, 20.
Hurry! Who's that slow? I mean, come on.
I'm sorry. I died, and I
Let's
can't
take a look.
I can't.
I'm getting my diamonds. No.
It's Brooklyn.
You know what? I'm doing it again. No! Oh my god, that was so close. If you fall off and do it again, then like you literally die.
6, 5.
Come on, you can do it! 3, 2. Oh my god, just in time. You.
I pressed the button. Oh, suckers.
I don't care.
Oh my god.
All team up against the noobs.
Yeah, no one kill each other, so stay away from everyone. Stay away from me.
Kill.
Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa!
I'm dead. I'm pointing up my
Sarah.
sign. My duck.
Konnichiwa!
I killed you.
My duck of loss.
Your duck is ugly.
Quack, quack. It's not. How dare you? You know what? This is what you get, noob.
Noobs.
I pressed the button. Oh, suckers. Take a picture together.
Yes, I'm getting in. My duck. Can I be in the front with my dog? Everyone go in the front. I'm being in the back because you're not gonna get the picture taking if you're that in front. You have to go. Let's see. Nice picture.
No,
No, look at Mr. Duck. He's beautiful.
Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. No, it's gone.
The pic. Why do I like
The house
the
is burning.
escape?
Escape.
How do we escape?
Well, no.
Oh my god, I hate mazes.
Where are we going, people?
I'm the best at mazes.
Fuck
No,
you.
there's all dead ends. Oh my god, what the heck? What is
Why are we
happening?
going to lower ground?
No, we died.
We can die together.
No.
Yes.
I died.
You just died.
We are all noobs.
No,
No one's
you guys are the noobs. I'm the pro. I pressed it.
No. Wait, what did I have?
Cake.
Uh,
eat.
I want to buy the slingshot.
I didn't
Cake is alive. Haha. Whoever died there. I don't
Nobody
know.
died.
I didn't even die. Get ready.
Yes, I'm. What? Oh, I wish the button was there and we could just stay on the button.
Hell no.
No.
Did you die already?
No.
Totally
No.
This girl's breaking my path. How dare she?
I'm still alive.
Duck, Mr. Quackers.
I'm the only one alive.
You make me happy.
I win again.
What's 35 coins?
Nothing.
Got it.
Oh, no, do not get my duck. Do not get
I'm
my
going
duck.
to get your
What?
news.
How many A's are in avocado?
2. It literally just says it there.
I don't think so. Where?
What 2? Do.
Oh.
Haha.
I never knew that. I never knew those.
Oh,
Who survived?
everyone.
Not me. No, I'm stuck with this noob.
It's point noob at him.
I don't have the noob stuff. I'm gonna go and just have what? I want to buy a speed coil. I have 73 coins.
I'm winning.
Somebody's coming.
I won.
Ah. 16 seconds. Hurry up, you stupid boulders.
The boulders.
Yeah, they're called boulders.
Oh, I see Brooklyn.
I won.
You won third place.
Oh yeah, I came first.
Missed it.
The golden
No.
dress. The golden dress.
Can you finish the maze? No, I cannot. I cannot finish mazes. I'm just going with rude much.
No, we just went around in a full circle.
I'm winning.
I'm taking this way.
7. I think I'm the only one who made it.
No,
Out
you
of the whole group.
you were second.
I know, out of the whole group.
Oh yeah. I lost.
Like out of-
No! I swear.
That's our punishment for making too many dead ends
Yeah.
in this game.
Mr.
Come, I
Quackers,
pressed it. Oh.
make me happy. Oh my god. No, I
Oh!
hate. I got.
I hate this.
You're-
Bro!
I didn't.
Oh, this is fun. This is easy.
I hate
This
this.
is fun. This is easy.
This is
Like I could download on my tablet this, like if I wanted to. Back. We're recording a video. Not now. We're nearly done.
Sorry for that. Cut out.
I'm doing a speed run. Oh no! I never.
Christmas or what?
I know. It's Christmas music.
I have a cheat ray.
CQ Preppy!
I win, guys! I pressed it.
Oh, I didn't press it. Bro. Nice.
I already pressed it.
What?
Oh, hell.
Oh my god. Defend the statue from the noobs.
Oh, defend the set.
Oh, I thought we're supposed to kill people.
Noobs.
Snack! I thought they were
Snack.
talking about
Snack!
I thought we were supposed to kill each other.
Snack! 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 Smack! Smack my booty!
Ninja noob.
No, this.
I killed the ninja noob.
No, there's a boss. There's a boss noob. We killed it.
I killed him.
Go away.
Don't you dare touch my statues!
Poor noobs.
Smack! Smack! Smack!
The fact that they're not even killing us. Oh,
The fact that
never mind.
They're so bad.
They're not even trying.
Oh my god, there's ninja noobs. Ninja noobs.
Don't you dare touch my statue!
The other noobs on the back are stealing the statues.
Oh my god, I want to know. Don't you dare touch mine! The statue
Statue
got
got
protected.
protected.
Okay.
We're gonna have to end the vid. Come on.
We're gonna
Here.
Over here.
And
Okay.
so, yeah.
Oh my god.
Thank you guys for watching. Oh my god. And,
Bye.
Bye.